We are here in Alabang West, Las Piñas City to show you this corner modern home. Let's begin our tour. For the flooring, homogeneous tiles, matte texture para non-skid material sa mga sasakyan ninyo. And ito yung area for your 3 to 4 vehicle carport. And your floating steps for your porch and your massive solid wood door. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering from your main door, you will be greeted by an open layout design dito sa buong ground floor. Immediately, mararamdaman mo yung natural light and yung cross ventilation in this property because of the huge sliding doors and sliding windows. So coming from your receiving space with your double height ceiling, chandelier already installed. For the living area, we already have itong inyong pwedeng gamitin as your media wall or an accent wall. And dito sa dulo, your formal dining area, around 8 to 10 seater dining table kasha in this space. And adjacent to your dining area is your main kitchen. If you have elderlies with you, or maybe pwede nyo gamitin to as an office or a guest room. For the flooring, solid wood planks or Narra, no? So 4 bedrooms. Unahin natin to. So this is your bedroom 3 or bedroom 2, no? So for the bedroom 2, parang ito yung pinaka-junior master suite. Facing dito sa inyong balcony and your swimming pool. This will be the location of your bed frame. Ganda rin ng layout. The area for your television set and your split type AC. And maybe in this space, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng inyong couch and center table in front of your television set. And again, it has an access to your balcony. And lastly, let's just skip those other bedrooms. So for this property, a total of 5 bedrooms. And this is your master bedroom or bedroom 5. The location of your custom size bed or a king size bed, no, napakalaki nitong space na to for that. You also have your split type AC. And on the other side, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng inyong couch or a center table. You also have your walk-in closet. And your toilet and bath. Ganda, no? And lastly, your balcony. It's facing west of the property. Lots of natural light, ganda ng cross ventilation. And of course, ganda ng subdivision. That's it for our quick tour. My name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.